Hi there. Today we are making Muthia, a steamed healthy snack from Gujarat. It turns out to be delicious and is enjoyed by everyone. You'll be able to make it effortlessly in your kitchen. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? Take a large bowl and add in grated bottle gourd. This is also called Ghia or Lauki. That gets oxidized really fast. A handful of freshly chopped Methi or Fenugreek leaves. Add in freshly chopped coriander leaves, about half a cup. Let's add in the spices. A teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder, turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste. Mix it all up. The salt will draw out water from the leaves and the vegetable. Just leave it aside for about 5 minutes. Add in some finely chopped green chilies according to taste. Finely chopped or grated ginger, half a teaspoon. Half a cup of semolina or suji. Half a cup of gram flour or besan, half a cup of whole wheat flour or atta, sugar, a large pinch of baking soda, and just mix them up all together to make a dough. Time to add in lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons of it. Add in a little water if required. And bring it all together. I'll just add in a bit more water to make it a soft dough. So I added in about 1/4 of a cup of water. Add in as much water as is required to get a really soft dough. Rest it for 5 minutes. In the meantime, boil some water in a pan with a lid. Take a steamer plate and brush it with oil so that the muthiyas don't stick to it while they are cooking. Oil your palms and shape the dough into muthiyas as big as you want or as small as you want. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Place them on the steamer plate. Get on with the rest of it. Once they are all done, time to place them into the steamer. Lower the heat. Cover it and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep the heat at medium. That has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. I'll just give it a check. That's all nicely cracked up. That has come out clean. Let me just give it 5 more minutes on low heat. It's been 5 minutes now, and I'm sure that they are cooked perfectly. I'll just turn off the heat and let them cool down completely. Take it out of the steamer once it cools down slightly and leave it to cool completely. Slice them up. If you like the recipe, Do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Like so. Once they have all been chopped up, time to give the final tadka. For tempering, heat 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let that crackle. Add in some curry leaves. One teaspoon of sesame seeds or til. Add in the cooked muthia. Coat them with the oil. Keep tossing them on medium heat till they get a light brown color. They've become lightly brown around the edges. Sprinkle some more curry leaves on top. Give it a mix. Turn off the heat. Some chopped coriander on top. Serve it hot with a green chutney, tamarind chutney or plain yogurt. And enjoy!